Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Hdmi. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Raspberry Pi 400 and I'll be showing you everything in this box. Let's jump into it.
The Raspberry Pi 400 is the personal computer kit with a Raspberry Pi operating system. You can buy it on Amazon, Micro Center, and other online stores for just $99. Check out the Raspberry Pi website for approved resellers. Let me flip the box over. The Raspberry Pi 400 is a complete computer kit built into a compact keyboard. It features a quad-core 64-bit processor. In this box, the only thing missing here is the display screen that comes with the regular laptops. The good thing is the Raspberry Pi 400 can be used with a monitor or a TV provided they have an HDMI input. And because of the display and sound purposes, Raspberry Pi has featured dual micro HDMI output on this device. Right in the box, you have the Raspberry Pi 400 computer, USB mouse, power supply, SD card, HDMI cable, and the beginner's guide, except for the TV or monitor for the output display. So let's see what we have in the box. So we have the mouse, red and white, out of the box, the USB Type-C power cable, the card reader and the micro SD card. Then we have the beginner's guide. Also we have the micro HDMI cable out of the box. The Raspberry Pi 400 features a 64-bit quad-core processor, and this is one of the series of processor by Broadcom, and also a 4GB RAM. This board also features a Gigabit Ethernet RJ45 port, a single 2.0 USB and dual 3.0 USB ports. The board is also powered by a 5V USB Type-C connector, which can be connected to this specific port. For video and sound purposes, this board features a dual micro HDMI ports. The board features a micro SD card slot and comes with a 16GB micro SD card out of the box for operating system or any other data storage. The board also features a 40-pin horizontal general purpose input and output header, and also a security slot to secure your computer while using it in a public space. Behind the board is the vent to keep the computer at a safe temperature. Other connectivity features this computer has are the dual band 2.4 and 5.0 GHz wireless LAN connection and the 5.0 Bluetooth card on this computer. Also, the operating system that runs on this computer is the Raspberry Pi OS, which is a flavored Debian Linux distro. The Raspberry Pi 400 is designed with a 78 key compacted into a keyboard. Placing it side by side with the regular keyboard, it is obvious this computer is well designed. What do you think about this product? Leave your comment down below, subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.